Hi traders, welcome back to the next episode of Quantman Common Queries. In this video, we are going to address the another question that is like how to deploy a strategy in live. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So for deploying a strategy in live, the first thing that you want to do is to log in into Quantman platform. Now take the strategy which you want to deploy it in live. So I have backtested a strategy and now I'm going to deploy that in the live. Go to transaction view page. In that, in top you can see deploy strategy in live. Click that option. You will get three options like paper testing, one click trading and auto trading. If you give paper testing, then your trades will be executed in the dummy amount, not your real amount. If you give one click trading, then from the Quantman side, you will get a call for the confirmation of your trades to execute. If you press the number that is requested by our platform, then your trades will be executed. There is another option like auto trading. All your trades will be exited and executed by the Quantman itself without any interference of the human. So now you can choose any of these things based on your requirement. Suppose if you are going to give one click trading or auto trading, it will ask for order execution details. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that also in Quantman. The first thing it will ask like product type, whether it is MIS or normal. MIS means intraday trade and normal means your positional trade. I'll go on with MIS itself. And the next one is like entry order. In entry order, we have two options like market order or limit order. If suppose you are going to give market order, then your trades will be executed based on your current market price. Or else if you are going to give limit order, it will ask for if order not executed in dash seconds, either to modify to market or you can cancel. If suppose I am going to give like 30 seconds, if my trade has not executed with 30 seconds, I can either modify to the market. That means the trade will be executed based on the market price only. So or else I can cancel that trade itself. That is what limit order means. So the next one is like exit order. Same like entry order, we have two options like market order and limit order. If you give market order, all your trades will be exited based on the current market price. Or else suppose if you are going to give limit order, it will ask like if order not executed in dash seconds, you can modify to market. Let's say I am going to give like 10 seconds. If you didn't exited from the trade, then I can modify to the market price so that my trade will be exited in the market price itself. That is the reason why we are going for market order. So the next one is like stop loss limit price difference, which means that if in a strategy you are going to give a stop loss of 10 points for the premium of 100 rupees, then your trade will be getting exited at rupees 90 itself. So for that we are going to give some price difference like, so if I give 5% here, then what will happen is that at the price of 84.5 itself your trade will be getting exited. That is what stop loss limit price difference means. So the next one is like margin benefit. In margin benefit also we have two options like place order sequenced for margin benefit and no. I'll go with the first option itself in order to get leverage for the value of investment. So the next one is like stop loss order based on either traded price or signal price. Traded price is the price which you trade upon and the signal price is nothing but the Quantman will give you a signal. So I'll go on with the traded price itself. The next option is like square of transaction if any entry is failed, which means that in a strategy if you have 4 legs and if any one of the leg got failed, then other 3 transactions will be squared up if you give S option. So if you give no option, which means that the only one leg which got failed will be failed, then other 3 legs will be performed as such itself. So that's it. Now you can deploy the strategy in live. So now we have deployed a strategy in live using Quantman platform. So now you can trade smart using our platform. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!